What's up, my dudes? Welcome back to the Ultimate Diecast Collecting channel. Today we're gonna check out 10, count them, 10 new Matchbox cars, 9 of them which I found on the peg, and 1 which I've been wanting for a very long time, and I'm stoked to finally add to the collection. Let's jump right into the video with some moving parts. Specifically, this 1975 Range Rover, which is absolutely excellent, and I'm amped to add to the collection day diecast. Hope you guys had a great week and are stoked for the weekend as I am. All right, here we go. Nice looking vehicle, beautiful casting, great details. Like those taillights, and the Range Rover is so clearly legible. Got a tan interior. Looks like we got like a drink. And the cup holder, that's pretty cool. I love these wheels. I've said that time and time again. We do have side view mirrors. They're just in a really weird spot. And wow, check that out. Headlights, grille, and marker lights all look pretty cool. And then let's go ahead and open that up. It doesn't open very far and it wants to slam shut, but it's okay. Got a tan motor, which is pretty neat. There's a lot of detail in there. Not a lot of paint detail, but the detail is there, and I'm very stoked to have this one. I love Land Rover / Range Rover, and that is a great one. Now we have one more moving parts. I have this one already in red, I think. I hope I don't have 2 blue ones, but oh well, we're gonna open it up anyway, regardless, because I like it. Alright, and here it is. Nice metallic and navy blue, side view mirrors, black interior. Really nice 5 spokes with a chrome lip. Taillights are very detailed. Very detailed. Those look great. Very nice. Headlights as well. Looks super realistic. If you are familiar with these cars, and I'm sure you are, like, those are right on the money. And then we open up the hood and we see the detailed engine. This time it is painted. Beautiful LS motor of some kind, maybe LSX, I'm not really sure. But it is an LS series motor in this awesome Corvette. Alright, so those are the only 2 moving parts ones I have. The rest are basically mainline, but they are cool. How cool are they? They are 76 Volkswagen Golf Mk1 cool, which in my opinion is pretty cool. My sister has a Volkswagen, and honestly, it's giving her some hell right now. Oh, it doesn't want to open up, does it? What on earth? Oh, it has that little plastic piece back there. Sometimes they do that, and it makes me mad. There we go. Plastic piece, I mean this thing. Which makes it a little bit harder for me to open, but it's alright. What's an extra 5 seconds between friends? Yeah, here we go. Very nice looking casting. Metallic silver, side view mirrors. I love Matchbox for that. I love that the seats are that accurate. Whoa, look at that huge peg though. My god. Is that? Whoa, look at that. They could probably do without that. Do you guys see what I'm talking about there? That huge peg? Like, what on earth were they thinking? They should have at least blacked it out if they're gonna do that. But aside from that, the interior looks pretty good. Aw, no taillights, wah. Headlights and grille look pretty good though. I guess they figured this one's gonna sell regardless, because people do love their Volkswagens. Let's see, next up, well, we got a twofer really, so I might as well just show them to you both at the same time, because they're the same casting, just slightly different tampos. We got Hazmat Team from the fire department, and Sky Patrol Security, or is it Sky Busters? Oh, as in like their planes. Yeah, that's pretty cool. Nice. You guys know I love cop cars. These are not exactly cop cars, but they're pretty close. They're within the realm of cop car. There we go. And there we go. There's our, let's see, let's read that together. Serving Matchbox County Fire Department, Hazmat Team. Side view mirrors again. Love Matchbox. Oh, but no taillights on this one, probably because there's so much tempo throughout. And they did put turn signals or marker lights or whatever. That's pretty cool. Grill guard on there. Very appropriate wheels. Pretty nice little casting. A little bit light. It's a little bit. Oh, whoops! Forgot to take it this way. Pretty light casting, but still cool. I'm glad I got it. And let's go ahead and crack open the security card version. What do they call this anyway? They call this Chevy Caprice Classic Police. That rhymes. Chevy Caprice Classic Police. And there we go. AFB. Very nice. Very good paint job. Well, I guess it isn't the same casting. Oops, my bad. It's close, but not the same. Well, that one has a hint of taillight. It's like just a little bit of red. So this one is technically Ford Police Interceptor, while this is Chevy Caprice Classic Police. Well, there we go. Oh, I'm actually kind of glad that they're different castings. That makes it a little bit more cool. All right, let's see what we got next. Check this one out. Talk about an oldie. A 41 Cadillac Series 62 Convertible Coupe. That's a mouthful. Oh, I love the wheels like on the card. I wish I had that much detail on the wheel, on the actual die cast. But still pretty cool. I love when they bust out these quirky old school cars. I think it's neat. I do think it's cool. Yeah, there we go. Look at that. Talk about old school. I wish the interior was a different color. That doo-doo brown is not my favorite. Kind of a stumpy steering wheel, but it's all right because because that looks really nice. I think that kind of makes up for it. Got some chrome bits here and there. Got some painted louvers, and we got a chromey plastic base. I think that's neat. I like it. Be cool in real life. Imagine cruising this down the street in real life. That'd be pretty wild. All right, now we got another old school car. Even older, 34 Chevy Master Coupe. I never even heard of this car. I don't know anything about these old 30s cars, other than they're really interesting and they've got to be rare. Oh, okay. I see. At a glance, I just thought it was black, but it's a really dark metallic navy blue. It's almost the color of my Acura. Nice, I like that. That's very cool. It feels like the fenders are plastic. Got a plastic molded spare and a white bumper. Interesting. They should have probably made that chrome, I would think. The grille and the headlights look nice though. Yeah, that's a neat one. Definitely something different for the collection. All right, let's see. I got two more regular old main lines. Let's do this one. We got us a 66 Dodge Charger. Pretty cool. Oh, you guys want to hear something extra cool? So I manage a property, basically an apartment complex, and one of my tenants just bought a Lamborghini, and he brought it to the office today to show me. I'll put a picture of it up. Couldn't believe it. He already has a Tesla Plaid, which, you know me, I don't really like, but his Lamborghini, he got a brand new Huracan, and it is amazing. And he let me get behind the wheel and rev the engine. It was awesome. But anyway, here is the Mopar. Again with the metallics. Very nice. Got a little flake in there. Very cool. I like that. Too bad there's no side view mirrors, but it's all good. See, the grille on the package was black. I was kind of thinking this one would be black too. I didn't look at it that carefully, I guess, but it's still nice. It's still nice. I think it'd be cool if it was black, but oh, that looks nice. Look at that. That's cool. Yeah, that's real nice. Yeah, cool one. All right, and the last main line is my favorite color, and it is a Dodge Charger. Once again, this time it's a bit newer. It's not my favorite shade of purple, but it's pretty cool. And I think this is a factory color too, or at least close to it. Nice looking exotic 10 spokes. Yeah, they're right on the money with those details. It looks exactly like the real thing. Side view mirrors once again. Yeah, that's way accurate. Oh, it's plumb crazy. Another thing I like about Matchbox, they like to have fun with their license plates, which is pretty darn cool in my opinion. Yeah, that's a cool one. Very cool. All right, and now for the grand finale, at least in my opinion, we got us this old school Matchbox World Class Collector's Edition Series 1 Lamborghini Countach. So sick. Now there is a red version of this available as well, at least, you know, there was way back in the day. Dang, that's from Montgomery Ward for $250. Wow. Well, just to show you guys, or to tell you guys how old I am, I bought my first DVD player at Montgomery Ward, which a lot of you guys probably never even heard of, and I paid $450 for it. Like, way back in the day, like in 1999, I think it was. But anyway, yeah, there's a red version of this available. I just couldn't find it on eBay at the time. Well, I did find one, but they wanted $50 for it, and I was like, no. So I will get it eventually, but this one I only paid like $6 or $7 for, so big difference in price. It's very cool. Oh, I was gonna look for the date. That's what I was looking for. 1989, so it probably came out in 1990, most likely. But yeah, we're gonna crack this open today. It's been in here for decades and decades, and we're gonna set it free. Ah, man, I'm having such a hard time opening these Matchbox cars today. Should have brought my knife. Oh, there we go. Packaging back in the day. Ah, here we go. All right, we set it free and dropped a bunch of cardboard on the floor, but it's all right. Check that out. So on these ones, I think it's on all of them, but they made the all the windows like chrome. Gives it this crazy reflective quality. It's very nice. Very nice looking details on the back. Bit of flashing on here, but it's okay. That is cool. Sorry, I gotta try to be careful not to show myself on here or in the reflection. Oh, that's so cool. I love this. Of course, it obviously has rubber tires, like two-piece wheels basically. There's like a plastic rim on a rubber tire. It's metal on metal. It has the World Class logo on the bottom. Made in Macau. Interesting. This thing is bad. So sick. It's cool that they, even back in the day, they were making cool, detailed stuff like this. Love this one. Can't wait to get the red one. Awesome. Let's see if it's a roller. Let's move all this stuff. Well, to be honest, it's not the best roller I have, but it's not bad either, you know. It's all right. Nice. Very cool. But all right, you guys, that's the video. That's all I got for you today. Thank you very much for kicking it with me on this Friday afternoon. If you are new to my channel, my name is J-Dog, and I post diecast videos once or twice a week, more or less. And if collecting little cars is your thing, please subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to like the video, and I'll catch you dudes next time.